If you want an easier way to email multiple people at once in Yahoo Mail, creating a distribution list is the perfect solution. In this video, I'll show you how to create a distribution list in Yahoo Mail step by step so you can organize your contacts, save time, and send messages to a group with just a few clicks. This is especially useful if you regularly email coworkers, clients, family members, or any repeated group of contacts. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the contacts icon. This will open your Yahoo contacts area where you can manage people and groups connected to your account. If you've never used this before, don't worry, it's very straightforward. After the contacts page opens, look for the list section. This is where Yahoo Mail keeps contact groups, also known as distribution lists. Click on Lists to continue. Once you're in the Lists area, you'll see an option to create a new group. Click Create a List. This begins the process of building your distribution list from scratch. Now you'll need to enter a list name. Choose a name that clearly tells you what the group is for. For example, you might name it Team Updates, Family, Clients, or Newsletter Contacts. Picking a clear name will make it much easier to find later when you want to send an email to the whole group. After entering the name, start adding contacts to the list. You can choose the people from your existing Yahoo contacts and include everyone you want in the distribution list. Take your time here and make sure the correct contacts are selected. If you need to add more than one person, keep selecting the contacts until your list is complete. This is the main advantage of a distribution list because instead of typing every email address manually each time, you can just email the list once and Yahoo Mail will send it to everyone included. That can save a huge amount of time, especially if you send frequent updates or announcements. Once all your contacts are added and you're happy with the list, click Save. Yahoo Mail will now store your distribution list and it will be ready to use whenever you need it. To test it, you can start a new email and begin typing the list name in the recipient field. Yahoo Mail should recognize it as a contact group, making it simple to send a message to everyone at once. And that's it. You've now created a distribution list in Yahoo Mail. It's a quick and practical way to stay organized and communicate with multiple people without repeating the same work over and over again. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.